Hey gang, thanks for tuning into your review channel. Today we're talking about, yes, more ways to make money on YouTube. So if you didn't hear the news, yes, there is more ways to make money. And first thing is more ways to get rewarded in a celebration. It's a celebration time, guys. This is a really cool opportunity for all of us to make some extra money. So if you didn't hear about it, this is what it's all about. Ad revenue sharing on Shorts. So if you're not familiar with Shorts, Shorts are little short content that you make on YouTube, almost like TikTok. This is for YouTube, but the difference is that YouTube is going to give you some of the revenue. Not like TikTok that's a fun and maybe you'll get some money, depends what you do, things like that. Yes, you will get paid. There is a couple different caveats, of course. You don't have to be in you don't have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, but you do have to have 1,000 subscribers and 10 million views, unfortunately, to get revenue from the Shorts program. But if you are in the Shorts and you're doing a lot of work with the Shorts, you can make a lot of money. So you can get really involved and get involved in this program. It's fantastic. It's a really great opportunity to you to get started and making Shorts and grow your channel and grow your long form content as well. And that's really the idea behind it. So if YouTube is rewarding you, you don't have to be in the YouTube Partner Program right away. If you didn't qualify yet because you're on doing Shorts, you can now get qualified if you have 1,000 subscribers and 10 million views within 90 days. That's pretty good. Most people can do that. It's a little bit aggressive, but I think you can do it. Second thing they're doing, super thanks. So what they're doing is they're encouraging the community to do a new way of doing super thanks with your fans, always looking for new ways to show you and love your appreciation. So people can actually give you super thanks within your Shorts. So that's really kind of rolls into the whole Shorts thing and also doing the super thanks. So as you grow your Shorts, people also are willing to say, hey, I love your Shorts, I love what you're doing, let me give you a couple extra bucks, and you get like 60% of that, and YouTube gets about 40%. And that's kind of how that's working around pretty much that's how it's working. So you do have to give a little bit, but YouTube is doing all the back, all the hard lifting, the heavy lifting of this whole program. So it's really, really important to just get involved, do some Shorts, and grow your long form content and your short form content at the same time. But now they're going to actually pay you to do that. And instead of having a small revenue share, they're going to give you a bigger piece of the pie, but you have to put the work in. So 10 million views in 90 days. I know people are getting 100,000 views a day, so that's no problem for them. So just keep doing it, keep growing. And just like when you didn't think you could get 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours, you did. So it's the same idea. But with the Shorts, you don't have to get 4,000 watch hours. You could just launch, you have 10 million views, you're good. And the last thing here they have is the creative music. They're working together with music artists. So you can use their popular music instead of that 5 or 10 seconds they give you, which is terrible. Now you can use the whole song. The problem is, it's not really a problem, but you have to have the revenue share with YouTube. And the rest of that money that you collect, you have to give that part to the creator or the artist. That's only fair. So you do get a smaller piece of the pie, but if you're used to using really popular music that can really push your videos, all right, especially the Shorts, that can really just take off. So this is all designed to really maximize your Shorts, really maximize your views, and really grow your channel. So YouTube is really stepping up and making it more easy, more available for you to really create your content, grow your channel, and they're going to pay you for it. Not like the other platforms, they don't really pay you. They give you a small piece of the pie. They're keeping all the money. YouTube is really breaking it all down and giving you a portion. There's more information online. I'll leave a link down below with all the whole program details. I just wanted to make this little short video to show you a little bit about what's happening. So brand new news. This is happening in 2023, just to let you know. So I'm going to be rolling out slowly, but this is all huge news. So YouTube is really stepping up in its game, and I think in the future they're going to be taking over the marketplace. So watch out. Yes, indeed. All right, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed the content on all my channels and all my videos. I have over 600 videos on my channel. So if you enjoy the content and you like the information, please don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Leave some comments down below if you like this information. Please do. It does help me out quite a bit, as you know. It does really help support my channel, and that's what I ask you to do. Like, leave some comments, and just let me know what you think. And this is all about just YouTube growing, and check out all my other YouTube videos as well on how to grow on YouTube. So that's what it's all about. All right, if you have any questions for me, leave down below, and I'll be glad to help you and help you grow your channel as well. Appreciate your time as always. Thanks for watching.